Okay, so I just got interrupted by the newspaper guy trying to sell me newspaper ads. But anyway, so here's the end of a mirror, because making the mirror from start to finish is too long for the video to then upload, I found. So I'll kind of show you what the end of a mirror, making a mirror, looks like, and the beginning. One of the things that's very important about soldering mirrors, you want to make sure that you have the right kind of mirror, because if you don't, the flux is going to eat away the silver backing, and all your hard work will be for naught. I know this to be true because I've done it, and I'm trying to save you the same agony. Eek. Also, when you do find the right kind of mirror, make sure you talk to a professional wherever you happen to be ordering your supplies. When you do find the right mirror, you also have to, any place that you cut, you want to protect the edges of the mirror, so that the flux doesn't seep in underneath the silver. I mean, that's basically that right there. And there's some fused glass with some fusible paper there. Quickly, I'm going to do one from the beginning. Let's do this orange one. I like that. Flux, obviously, very important. Your solder isn't going to stick to your copper without the flux. And I'm pretty much going to do that very basic thing all the way around this piece. Just solder it. And then clean it up, make it purty. But anyway, so you want to get this edging. There are different kinds of things. There's a spray-on edging, there's a paint-on edging. You want to just make sure that your silver backing is protected, so that it doesn't get eaten away. And I'm going to stop this video because I want to make sure that it doesn't get too long. But rest assured, I'm going to come back and finish that.